Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Business Ethics under Professor Dr. Neil Armstrong. So, what we're doing this week, we're going to be looking at the natural nature of moral problems in management. So, it'll be one of those things we can definitely apply some of our understandings of different things that have happened to us to some of the theories we talked about last week. We can also see kind of what's moral and what's immoral. Definitely one of those things we're going to definitely talk about some of those things. We got a video here for you guys to watch. We also have a discussion board post where you guys can definitely respond to that. I'll definitely look at that as well. We are looking at chapter 1 of Hosomer's textbook. So I look forward to seeing your discussion on that. And that's the only thing really other than the ethical reflection paper that's actually due. And we talked about last week a little bit. Let me make sure that we have everything we need in that. So let's see, ethical reflection. Yeah, you can definitely turn it in here. You guys just need to follow the instructions on that. If you guys have questions about any of that, though, feel free to reach out to me. I'm glad to help out. Thanks, and have a great week.